Sometimes we, the so-called professionals, keep ourselves so busy that we don't even know about what nature have gifted us. For sake of social media post and appreciation, there is an ongoing trend of visiting foreign countries. And when it comes to student education, most of us want our kids to leave this highly spiritual and knowledgeable country, India, and go to study in Europe or USA. We are not against it, but we want to let you know what great country India is, and the level of education we have is one of the best. For the sake of this noble cause, Dr. Gaurav Pradhan has initiated a new concept of Swadesh Travel Diary.
हम पिछले शायद 20-25 साल से इंडिया के बाहर हैं. वी आर ऑल NRIs जो हमारे ग्रुप में लोग हैं. हम ये सोचते हैं कि हम अपने नेशन को इस टाइम लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट कैसे करें, क्योंकि आज जो भी हम हैं, यहाँ के स्कूल्स ने, हम मेरे केंद्रीय विद्यालय ने बनाया या मेरे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ने मुझे बनाया, जिसकी वजह से हम बाहर हैं. सो हाउ डू वी ऐड वैल्यू बैक टू द सोसाइटी? There were a couple of thoughts. First was, can we float an NGO? We can take 300 kids, do the schooling for them. पर उसमें 3000 रह जाते. हम 400 कंबल बांट दें, लेकिन 4000 रह जाएंगे. तो हम ऐसा क्या काम करें जो हमारी स्ट्रेंथ हो और वहाँ से हम आगे ग्रो कर पाएँ. Then we thought, why not we create a platform for discussion and debate? क्योंकि being a professional speaker myself for last 10-15 years on technology and management, why can't we create a platform? Then we created Swadesh. Naturally, the name Swadesh, people relate with movie Swadesh, which is right. हमारा कोई इनोवेशन नहीं है. उसमें भी एक NRI आया था, हम भी एक NRI आए हैं, तो हमने वो चीज़ यूज़ करी है. Now we have Swadesh, which has 4 platforms. First is Metro, where we discuss subject related to Metro. We bring in an expert. It is on a paid basis. Cover charges are there. People pay, and 200-500 people will come and listen to us, listen to the expert. Then we have school and colleges. In school colleges, we do from our pocket. We are not doing it from, we are not charging any money from school college. We do at our cost. Subjects related to school college to the youth. As of today, the 2 identified subjects is digital literacy and financial literacy. Third is rural areas, where we go in villages and panchayats and talk about the issues with them, and those issues could be healthcare, education, farming. The fourth is our jawans, क्योंकि celebrities ऑफिसर मेस तक तो जाते हैं, ऑफिसर्स कॉलेज तक जाते हैं, लेकिन वो जवान जिसकी पूरी सर्विस लाइफ मैक्सिमम 35 इयर्स के बाद रिटायर हो जाते हैं, हाउ डू वी ग्रो दीज पीपल इन सोसाइटी? कोई सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बन जाएगा आके, कोई शॉप चलाएगा या फार्मिंग पे चला जाएगा, लेकिन फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी कहाँ है उनकी? पेंशन है. पेंशन कितनी है? 20,000 रुपये अगर है तो आज की डेट में 20,000 रुपये में क्या काम होता है? क्या आप 20,000 रुपये से अपने बच्चे को इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज भेज सकते हो? पढ़ाई करा लो, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. देन सो आवर फोर्थ इनिशिएटिव इज टू एड्रेस एंड मेंटर एंड टीच these jawans on their forward areas when they are off duty. Collect them 50, 60, 100 whatever the number है, because एक साथ सबको इकट्ठा पॉसिबल नहीं है. हम जाएंगे, अपनी कॉस्ट पे करके आएंगे. अब सवाल ये था, स्वदेश को फंड कैसे करा जाए. एंड आई ऑनेस्टली थैंक ऑल माई ट्विटर फॉलोअर्स, जिनको मैंने 6 या 7 ट्वीट लिखे थे, एंड आई आस्क्ड फॉर फंड. They have given us more than 10 lakhs as a fund in less than 6 to 7 days. And some people are still donating, and we have asked them not to do it because we are just waiting for our website to be ready and then donate directly rather than paying commission to the middle organization which is collecting fund on our behalf, because it's a hard earned money for a noble cause. and I can tell you Swadesh Fund is not utilized by any member for its personal travel, grooming, eating or whatever. It is only utilized for the projects, and it will always be utilized for the projects. So we want to stay transparent. That's what Swadesh is.
Enjoying the ride through lush green valleys with bottoms filled with spring water lakes, Swadesh team have reached Graphic Era University. Here, the students are waiting to learn and utilize their instant grabbing power to shoot a short travelogue about this picturesque valley of Bhimtal and Nainital.
Swadesh Travel Diary is actually an idea created by Renuka Jain, who is our financial expert as well as the CFO and a member of Swadesh, along with Professor Anand Verma, who is a professor at Bhimtal in Graphic Era University. What we said was, their idea was कि बच्चे इस क्लासरूम में तो पढ़ रहे हैं, इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहे हैं, MBA पढ़ रहे हैं या whatever the discipline they are, straight they are doing it, इसके अलावा हॉबी क्या है? So we said, why not these kids go explore the area around their university and place where. Now today it is Bhimtal, tomorrow it could be somewhere in Hyderabad, third day it could be somewhere in Rajasthan, that's irrespective. But अपने आसपास का एरिया को समझो, हम आपको इक्विपमेंट देंगे, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देंगे, आके हमें उस पर एक फिल्म बनाओ और सब काम आप ही करोगे, स्क्रिप्ट आप लिखोगे, रिसर्च आप करोगे, शूट भी आप करोगे, जैसे भी शूट करना आता है, बेसिक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स हम बताएंगे, शूट आप करोगे, हम अपनी कॉस्ट पे उसको एडिट करवाएंगे या करेंगे और उसके बाद हम देश के आगे रखेंगे. दिस वे यू प्रमोट द किड्स, यू इन्हेंस एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ अमंग देम, और एक तरह से देखा जाए तो ये पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट है. दैट इज़ व्हाट ट्रैवल लॉग इज़. सो हमारे दो पर्पस सॉल्व होते हैं, एक तो स्टूडेंट्स अपने एरिया को जाने, दूसरा उस एरिया को पूरा देश जाने.
Swadesh is an initiative between Graphic Era University, wherein the students are helping us to explore the unknown places in India to Indians and to the world. I'm fortunate to have Jyoti and Sakshi with me.
Hello, I'm Sakshi Bansal and currently I'm pursuing Master in Business Administration from Graphic Era Hill University, and my friend.
Hi, I'm Jyoti Pokhariya and I'm doing Masters of Business Administration from Graphic Era Hill University, Bhimtal campus.
So let's explore Sartar.
So now we are a team of amateur students who are going to pretend as anchor, photographer and travel assistant as well. But yes, it's Dr. Gaurav Pradhan who have become our mentor, and yes, driver as well, for completing this travel diary. So let's introduce first about this place, Bhimtal and Nainital. Since the British era, Nainital and Bhimtal have become notified place on Himalayan region. These were main colonial towns for British government, as they have set up their official residence and main government facilities like court and others to rule the famous Kumaoni region. At an elevation of about 2000 meters, Bhimtal is quite famous for its good weather conditions throughout the year. And yes, Bhimtal is famous for its large 48 hectares natural water lake. This is perfect explanation of Bhimtal, where Bhim symbolizes large and Tal stands for lake. But Bhimtal is not the only one lake over here. We have more to explore. Let's head to Nala Damayanti Tal. This pristine lake is beautifully centered amidst green mountain, which symbolizes rich Kumaoni culture and society. This unusual geographic demeanor of the place instantly made it feel magical and welcoming.
My name is Gaurav. One of the format of Swadesh is that we have divided Swadesh into 3 levels. The first level is metro, where we will discuss subjects related to that particular metro, and it would be a paid kind of event where people can pay the cover charges and join us. The second level is school and colleges. Right now what you are witnessing is a college, Graphic Era University, students running to the Sattal. The third area is rural area where we discuss healthcare, education, agriculture and subjects like that which are interest of the rural areas, to talk about rural upliftment and empowering the people to make their own better living. So this is the core focus of Swadesh is. More as we explore, more as we grow, we will come across the best of the Swadesh for this nation. We dedicate Swadesh for the nation. Anyone who thinks nation is first and want to develop, want to see a better India is a part of Swadesh. So it is not an initiative by a couple of people, idea by us, but it belongs to everyone, every single Indian who believe that nation should be above all of us and we need to see a better nation for our better future.
Now finally, we are at Nal Damayanti Tal.
Jyoti, don't you think that this place deserves something special?
Yes, obviously.
Look at the culture, the greenery. So we want Swadesh to come to such places and make them more beautiful for the people, for the country like India.
Today, because of our busy schedules and hectic lives, we doesn't have time for even ourselves. The beauty of this city promises to take you miles away from the noise and never-ending race of city life and enjoy some time in peace and solitude.
Isn't this place so beautiful, Jyoti?
Yes, Sakshi. We are at the mountain range of Julikot. This is Sukha Tal and you can call it as Khurdaliya Tal.
This place attracts thousands of tourists every summer vacations. And this is the beautiful part of our Bhimtal.
Sukha Tal was earlier a part of pristine Nainital Lake. Sukha Tal means a dry lake. It is located half a kilometer from the picturesque lake of Nainital. This lake was earlier known as Khurdaliya Tal and was renamed as Sukha Tal because the entire water from this lake was drained in the extreme region of Nainital Lake.
Finally, we reached our destination, Sat Tal.
A place right in the lap of nature, untouched by pollution and the daily pandemonium of urban life. It offers the traveler a veritable feast of scenic beauty and peace of mind.
Sat Tal is one of the few unspoiled and unpolluted freshwater biomes in India. These lakes are a paradise for migratory birds. It is a home to a few camps being operated mostly by local people catering to tourists looking for outdoor vacations. Now let's talk about geology and physiography. Sat Tal is situated in the lower Himalayan range and is the result of tectonic activities and uplifting of sediments between Tibetan Plain and Indo-Gangetic plains. The rocks are mainly sedimentary rocks. Physiography: the area can be divided into lower Himalayas and terraces.
Boating facilities are available for the visitors, and alternatively, a slow-paced stroll around the lake will offer a scenic relaxation like no other.
Sat Tal is unique for its biodiversity and ecological amplitude. It has 500 species of resident and migratory birds, 20 species of mammals, over 525 species of butterflies and over 11,000 species of moths, beetles, bugs and other insects. In fact, I would like to tell you that one place where we are staying right now during this shoot is actually called a bird's place, where they have kept a lot of birds in the living room, which people can witness to. The flora cover is wide and diversified range of plants ranging from orchids, rare climb plants, ferns, lynches, fungi, medicinal herb and other plants. Each individual lake has its own unique diatom index. The Tropic Diatom Index uses the composition of freshwater diatom to assess water quality and ecological status. Request people, as you have seen, it's such a beautiful place and such a clean place. Please keep this place clean when you visit Bhimtal and Sattal and help Prime Minister Narendra Modi call for Swachh Bharat. It's mandatory for us to make our area Swachh and world class. Thank you.
Nainital Bhimtal region has been luring tourists with its immaculate beauty since ages. Being a popular tourist destination, one doesn't have to wonder how to reach Nainital, as this place is well connected to different towns and cities via rail, air and road network. The scenic beauty makes the drive and overall experience a truly memorable one.
तो क्यों ना हम सब मिलकर अपने उत्तराखंड को एक सुंदर और एक स्वच्छ स्थान बनाएं, जहां पर आकर सब लोग अपना मनोरंजन कर सकें।
हमारे पास बहुत सारे डस्टबिन हैं। I request you to use them.
I thank these three kids actually. Sakshi, who was narrating the Sattal, and Jyoti, she was also narrating Sattal. And Yashdeep, he was the man behind the camera running the show. And this team belongs to Graphic Era University, Hill University in the Bhimtal campus. Please visit us. I also request, come to Bhimtal, visit the campus also if you have time. And all my corporate friends across India and the world, please help these kids to get the better exposure in the world for their summer placements and final placement. These are really brilliant kids. I can vouch for that. पहली चीज़ अभी हमने ये भीमताल वाला करा, ये स्टार्ट इसलिए करा क्योंकि आनंद और मेरा रिलेशनशिप चाइल्डहुड है। हम दोनों साथ 10th 11th 12th पढ़े हैं, तो एक वो कंफर्ट फील आ जाता है, उसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है इसमें। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट कॉलेजेस की भी बहुत आई हैं करने की, सेमिनार्स भी हैं, विलेजेस का भी है। हमारा अगला प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो एक नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन प्रोजेक्ट है। डिटेल अभी मैं नहीं बता पाऊँगा क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज़ हैं, पर हम ये चाहते हैं कि वो एरिया जिनको हम ये बोलते हैं नॉट कनेक्टेड टू मेनलैंड इंडिया, हम उनको कैसे बताएं भारत क्या है और भारत को कैसे बताएं कि वो भी हमारे हैं। ये हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट है, हम इस पर एक्सपेरिमेंट बेस करेंगे। जो अभी हमने रिसेंटली कंप्लीट करा है आफ्टर भीमताल, वो प्रोजेक्ट है कल्चरल लर्निंग का। हमने देहरादून के पास एक गांव में एक गवर्नमेंट स्कूल लिया, वहाँ से हमने 50-60 बच्चे लिए प्रिंसिपल के, क्योंकि स्कूल में रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट के टीचर मिल जाएं वही बहुत बड़ी बात है, कल्चरल तो भूल जाइए आप। हमारा एक टीम मेंबर है हु इज़ अ PhD इन कथक, इंडियन एम्बेसीज़ के साथ काम कर चुके हैं, जमाइका, साउथ अमेरिका वगैरह बहुत उन्होंने क्लासेस करे हैं। हमने उनसे कहा क्या वो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में जाएंगे और इस तरह का कल्चरल प्रोग्राम करेंगे। शी एग्रीड टू इट। हमने वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करा, उसमें कॉस्ट्यूम बच्चे अपने जो भी उनके घर में शादी, हमने बोला था जो शादी में पहनते हो ना वो पहन के आ जाना। और वी हैव कंडक्टेड दिस वर्कशॉप ऑन डांस, वोकल एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड वी हैव ओनली टॉट देम एज ऑफ टुडे। 10 दिन की वर्कशॉप करी थी। वी हैव टॉट देम द बेसिक्स ऑफ वोकल डांस एंड आई कैन टेल यू इट वाज अ ह्यूज सक्सेस। अब शायद हमारे पास 10 या 15 गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की ऐसी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स को उनके पास ले जाएं। तो अभी हमने ये सोचा है जब भी समर या विंटर वेकेशन होती हैं, और क्योंकि जिन्होंने सिखाया वो भी बिज़ी हैं, जब भी हमारे पास 10 दिन का गैप मिलता है एनी टाइम ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, हम एक स्कूल या 2 स्कूल पकड़ेंगे और वहाँ जाके इसको करने की कोशिश करेंगे।